Hello everyone, I'm Rajeshri. A very warm welcome to you all in today's very short episode, and it is a very different one as well. Um, it's actually about a poem which I wrote yesterday night, and I'll tell you why did I write this poem, and genuinely I wanted to share it with you all. And in the next episode I will compose a music on that poem, and definitely I'll share that with you all as well. I am here in Kolkata during the monsoon season after a long 27 years. I categorically wanted to spend the monsoon here to get a real feel of how this city is like during monsoon time. And I was out and about. It rained heavily yesterday. But whilst I was traveling in our family car in between, there was a street hawker. You can call them traveling seller. There are quite a few actually in the city and all over India. It's quite common whilst you travel and you get stuck in traffic, they do come to you, they knock at the windows and they sell their products. So yesterday when I was stuck in traffic, a guy came to me. He was selling a very unique thing. It's little umbrellas. It felt like it's for the dolls, but it's for the gods and goddesses. In India, religious festivals, they get celebrated in a big way, and in every household, almost in every household. So as the guy explained to me that people use it for their gods and goddesses. They were very pretty, but the guy shared with me that they are not selling well, and I could see quite a bit of melancholy in his both eyes. There were clouds of pain of an artist. It was raining heavily. His both eyes looked quite clearly to me. I came back home, straight went to my study, and I wrote a poem. Yesterday, creativity chose the language of the poem. I wrote it in Bengali, that's my mother tongue, and I felt right because I am in Bengal at the moment, and I wanted to share it with you all. In my next episode, I might translate it, and definitely I will compose a music on that poem, because yesterday's experience, something I wanted to keep it with me forever. So the title, actually in English, I just gave a title, When Our Hearts Ring, and in Bengali, BORSHA, ONTORE ও BAHIRE. Now poem. আষাঢ় শ্রাবণ বৃষ্টি নিয়ে আসে, সেটাই নাকি ঋতুর নিয়ম বলে। অশ্রু বলে সারা বছর ধরে বুকের ভেতর বর্ষা ঋতু চলে। বর্ষাতি আর ছাতা প্রশ্ন তোলে, সেটা আবার কেমন বর্ষা হলো। অশ্রু তখন ওদের হেসে বলে, দুঃখ কি আর নিয়ম মেনে চলে। অশ্রু যখন বর্ষা নিয়ে আসে, দুই নয়নে বান ভাসিয়ে দিয়ে, গ্রীষ্ম শরৎ সকল ঋতুতেই দুঃখ বলে আসল বর্ষা এই। অন্তরে আজ ব্যথার মেঘটা নেই। Thank you. Thanks for listening. I'll see you all in my next episode with a translation of this poem in English and a composition, a musical composition. Thank you.